Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabets. Okay, we will draw missing alphabets. These are all the color pencils. Okay, thick blue color, green color, pink color, brown color, violet color, black color, yellow color, ash color, red color, light green color, orange color and sky blue color. Okay, let's draw alphabets. Brown color, A for apple. Pink color, B for ball. Sky blue color, C for cat. Violet color, D for dog. Green color, E for elephant. Black color, F for fish. Red color, G for goat. Thick blue color, H for hat. Yellow color, I for ink. Ash color, J for jar. Orange color, K for kite. Light green color, L for lion. Pink color, M for monkey. Orange color, N for nest. Green color, O for ox. Red color, P for pen. Brown color, Q for queen. Blue color, violet color, R for rose. Sky blue color, S for sun. Green color, T for 10. Red color, U for umbrella. Orange color, V for van. Violet color, W for wonder. Pink color, X for Xerox. Brown color, Y for yellow. Orange color, Z for zebra. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Okay, bye kids.